everyone! So sa ngayon, tignan natin kung anong mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. So we have this one, which is the why it's in either way. I don't know why, pero may nasasense ako magsisimula kang muli. So we have this one in either way. We also have do it. So you could be someone na go-getter, pero nag-wonder ka kung bakit parang di nag-work out kapag meron kang sinisimulan. Kaya lagi ka nagsisimula muli. So we have my dream. We also got, reminds me of 2026. Okay, pero siya 2626. Ibig sabihin naman nito guys, yung ganitong number ay hindi meant to be, ibig sabihin yan. So, naka-in either way siya. We also have the mess. It's in reverse. We also got sick in reverse. Abuse. So far, nakita ko dito, if ever something didn't work well with regards sa, I feel like it's more on business, can be love life na rin, even work. Kapag hindi siya meant to be, hindi talaga magpupush forward yan. Meron naman nakalagay dito, kasi naka-in either way naman siya, meron din siguro kayo nasimulan na meant for you, at kung naman yung meant for you, hindi siya nag-mess up. Meaning na natili yung, let's say, negosyo, can be work, can be love life, nag-push forward siya. If ever, it's not a failure, meaning, it's meant for you. Pero yung bagay na, maraming problem, hindi nag-push forward, nag-wonder ka, ano nangyari, hindi yun meant para sa inyo. Okay, you get what I mean? Kasi nakalagay, sick natin in reverse. Ibig sabihin na hindi mo na kailangan mag-seek ng bagong work, love life, or it can be business. Kasi, meron ka na try na talagang meant para sa inyo. We also have the guilt in reverse. We also have the case in reverse. So far with regards sa abuse, I'm kinda like seeing kasi nandito si abuse at meron dito. Kasi ito parang nag-i-spy siya but it's in either way. So meron siguro tao sa inyong buhay na mahilig, let's say, mag-abuse. Can be this person is doing something behind the scenes para pigilan yung mga ginagawa mo. Ingat ka sa ganyan tao na abusado sa kapangyarihan. Or pwede rin nagka-curse siya. Pwede rin yung abuse, meaning parang inaabuso niya yung kabutihan mo. Kasi baka ginagawa ng taong yan, maybe malapit siya sa inyo, nag-aayayan lumabas sa oras ng trabaho. Can be, or may dapat kang gawin, bila siya nagaya. So, isa yun sa mga red flags with regards to this person kasi nakita niya na may ginagawa ka. So, maybe some of you with the why being here, you're wondering kung bakit ganyan yung ginagawa ng taong yan kada may trabaho ka, lagi na lang nagyayaya. Okay, so red flag na yun actually na parang hinahadlangan niya yung ginagawa mo. So, ingat kayo sa ganyan tao. Okay, so, we have the guilt in reverse and keys. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, huwag kayong mag-guilty kung sakaling nag-failed yung negosyo nyo before, or it can be love life or work. Kasi yung mga nag-failed, hindi yan meant para sa inyo. Yun nandyan pa rin until now, it's something na meant for you. Okay, yun yung tandaan mo, guys. Basta, swak sa'yo yun. Remind yourself, swak sa'yo yun. Kung love life man siya, hindi karmic relationship, mahirap na relasyon, whatever. Kung sakali man na, let's say, work, talagang gustong-gusto mo yung work na yun. Talagang patok sa talent mo or skill. So, case is in reverse. So, this is with regards to whomever this is, na maybe hindi ka aware na may nagbe-betray sa inyo. Now that you're aware, guys, payo ko lang, baka kasi nagpo-post kayo ng ginagawa ninyo. So, iwasan nyo mag-post kung may gagawin ka Might as well keep it to yourself na lang, kaysa naman sa may humahad lang lagi. If ever this person keeps on bugging you, asking you to go out with him or her, matuto kayo magsabi ng no. Matuto kayo magsabi na may ginagawa pa ako eh. Okay? Kasi kung patuloy kayo magsasabi ng oo sa kanya, paano naman yung ginagawa mong project? Paano naman yung mga bagay na nangyari sa inyong buhay? So, make sure that you are knowing how to react on things. Okay? Tsaka, isipin mo na rin na may mga tao talagang ganyan na siguro may crab mentality issue na instead na paangatin ka, siya pa yung dahilan ba't ka babagsak. So anyway, that's it with today's reading. I hope that this message may give you some insight, and God bless all of you.